Hello friends, I'm Vinny. The words that we learned today are elude and allude. Elude is spelled as E-L-U-D-E. Elude. Elude is pronounced as elude. Elude is a verb. The meaning of elude is escape from danger in a skillful or cunning way. Usage: we might elude other kids during a game of hide and seek. The criminal was arrested at a crime scene after allegedly attempting to elude police by jumping out of a window. The other meaning of elude is fail to be attained, to be hard to understand. Usage: the coveted World Cup trophy continues to elude South African cricket team. Mithali Raj has won everything, but World Cup title eludes her and she is keen to work hard to achieve it. Winning a major international trophy for Argentina always eludes Messi. Synonyms: evade, avoid, dodge, duck, escape, escape, shake, shuffle, flee, lose, circumvent, bilk. Antonyms: accept, quote, embrace, pursue, catch, contract, incur. The second word is allude. Allude is spelled as A-L-L-U-D-E. Allude is pronounced as allude. Allude is also a verb. The meaning of allude is suggest or call attention, to indirectly hint at. Usage: experts allude the importance of context in describing mobile phone usage patterns. They allude the problem but did not mention it. The diamond rings may be very similar or simply allude to the style of the king's ring. Synonyms: hint, indicate, suggest, imply, mention, cite, touch on, intimate. And the antonyms are announce, declare, proclaim, explain, spell out, delineate, describe. Let's revise the two words that we learned now. Let's end the video with a simple quote. The trees which are pursued, watered and nurtured by caring hands bear the greatest fruits. It is the same with people. If you like my video, please to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.